We are reaching the final rapids, and let's see. Let me rate how excited this is. The waters here are definitely a lot more bumpy. So there's also various rocks around here. So it's important that you have good teamwork skills in order to avoid them. Yep, I'm recording. There's plenty of rapids and plenty of stones as well. Be very careful when coming here. Yeah! Certainly a very exciting thing. Oh my! Oh no, there's another one. Oh god. Definitely something you should be very careful around. There's a break area and some different streams. The break point is very gorgeous and a good place to rest for some time before you actually take your boat out. Is this the end?